Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to tag everyone in a Facebook group. So firstly, you can do this if you are a group moderator, group admin, or a group creator. Otherwise, the normal members can't do this. Okay. So firstly, let's go to your Facebook group. Now you have to click on this write something or the status bar. Then write here anything you want, and then press @ and choose everyone. Choose everyone, and now you are done. Click on post, and then everyone from this group will be tagged in this post. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.